Okay, we are making banana cream pie. Little pies. We got white chocolate that you can find. They're like easy melts that you can use for fruit.
Mama.
And then these little ones. Papa, can you fix it, please?
What do you want? No, it's moving, it's fine. Just die now.
So, you place the little pies. They're gonna have to go in the fridge. I'm gonna get this. I thought you were helping me, sir. Put some, so you put some of these in a bag and crumple it up. Crumple it up. Crush them up. Here, I have a bag. Then you take the fluff. Not a lot. You put it at the bottom. So they look like this. You take this banana and cream.
Okay, play it again.
And put it in there. Make sure your hands are clean.
Yep. Hands clean.
Fits about one in each. Just about? That's what do you think, Kev? Yeah?
Right.
Yes?
Like 10 minutes?
10 minutes? Where'd you get 10 minutes? I said, do you think one of these fits in one of the little pies?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it does. Babe, can you take the skin off the potatoes? That would be a big help, please.
That smells like the banana candy. No?
Banana candy?
And another bucket. This is Mommy this bucket.
I licked the top.
That's funny. But yeah. Oh my god, that's a big blob. Looks like Jello, right?
Jello, it's pudding. You could use chocolate pudding. That would be cool. Chocolate pudding with the marshmallow and the graham cracker crust.
Or banana.
That would be kind of like a s'more, huh? What do you think?
This is banana pudding, right?
Yeah, but I was thinking maybe next time we use the graham cracker crust and chocolate pudding and the marshmallow. That would be like a s'more.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. It looks like little pies.
They are little pies, silly.
No, them is baby pies. It looks like a mountain there. Big mountain. You had that.
Yeah. Depends how full you want them.
Don't.
We used 4 for 6 of these.
Don't worry, we have like one more to do. And we can eat it.
Well, they have to sit in the fridge for a little bit.
Yeah.
Sit in the fridge for about...
Like 20 minutes?
Yeah, you could do 20 minutes. Maybe overnight, or...
How about you rough it in the microwave?
No, not in the microwave. Here, lick that.
Okay.
Because I'm not going to use it. Then you take your crushed up Nilla wafers and you sprinkle it on.
Actually, tastes like banana. Tastes like banana.
Well, it's banana pudding.
I know. I'm telling you, it actually tastes like banana. I don't know that. Oh, Poppy's just peeling the skin to the mashed potatoes.
You can put as little or as much as you want.
So creamy. I have to put this on, right?
No.
No.
And then it's optional, but we're going to melt a little bit of white chocolate and drizzle it over.
I'm going potty, okay, Mama?
Okay, make sure you wipe, flush, wash your hands, because you're cooking. This is what it looks like so far. Now we have the white chocolate. It's not working the way that I wanted it to. It's drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
I can smell it from the kitchen.
Really? Does it smell good? It's supposed to drizzle and be all fancy, but it's just not happening, Captain. Whoop.
Doing very great. I can check in the little hole from the front.
Can you turn it off first?
It's doing sound.
This is what it looks like. Yes, I didn't drizzle it all fancy. Now we'll go in the fridge. I would say about 30 minutes to an hour. And when you serve it, you could put any toppings you want, but we will be putting whipped cream.